Here's a Nintendo Switch OLED. I'm going to show you how to connect to your docking station so you can connect it to your TV. So I'm going to connect this to the TV, and I'm also going to go ahead and use the Joy-Cons with this grip here, okay? So the first thing is, go ahead and grab your docking station, and on one side here, this lid will pop out, okay? We have AC adapter here, HDMI out, and you have your LAN here. All right, I'm going to be using Wi-Fi, so I'm just going to be using these two here. So the AC adapter, grab your AC adapter, and it should be a USB-C. I'm going to go ahead and plug that right there. Now go ahead and grab your HDMI cord, and we're going to plug it into here now. And just push that right in, just like that. Now you have this back casing here. You can pop that back on if you wish. Just go ahead and put the cord through there, and let's go ahead and just pop this back on, just like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and plug this HDMI into the HDMI port on the back of the TV, and I'm also going to plug this into the wall outlet. So now I have everything plugged in. I'm going to go ahead and grab my Nintendo Switch here. Make sure it's in the right way, okay? You can't put it the other way, all right? Put it in the correct way, guys. And then as soon as you slide it down, if the screen is on, it should go off as soon as it's connected, okay? So now that I got it connected, now I have to go to the correct HDMI port, okay? So click on like source or input on your remote or on your TV. I think mine's on HDMI 3. Let's see. Yep, it's it right there. Now everything's connected, okay? So now I can go ahead and connect my my Joy-Con into my grip here. You don't have to plug it in like this. You can go ahead and take it out before you slide that in. But anyway, if we want to go ahead and take these out, there's two buttons here, okay? One in the front and one in the back. Just hold them both, and you just want to slide it up, okay? Let me pop this back in here. And the same thing for the other side. Hold on both buttons and just slide up like that. Now just go ahead and slide each Joy-Con into the grip here. And just slide it in. Make sure it clicks in place. And the second one, just like that. Now from here, if it's not working yet, the Joy-Con, just press and hold that home button down. Just hold it down, and then it should connect. Anyway, there you go. So now you can go ahead and play a game or whatever you want on the big screen. Pretty simple.